Sold out code, baby! We out here at the movie course. Popular demand, we brought out the square nose, traffic cone, orange superjet. Straight from 1991, baby. Everything we placed on it. Everything is built or bought from Volusia, baby.
What we got going down today?
Oh, dude. Well, apparently everyone loves the old iron, so we're whipping out the old iron traffic cone.
Traffic cone is live.
Yep, show everyone what this thing's all about.
Snowmobile oil. Should run.
8 off of Facebook Marketplace. Apparently they posted this thing too high.
They're saying it's only worth $2,500.
That's ridiculous. I'm gonna show everyone what this thing's worth. 7K square nose, baby.
Look at the hour meter. It only has 2,351 hours.
God, that's 23. I'm gonna wear a beanie, fuck it. Actually good. Oh yeah. What do we got coming out? What do we got? Look what's coming in, baby. Fresh from Japan. 1991, baby. We went back in time. Fucking sick. Before all you haters go and just rip my life apart, I know it's a square nose superjet. The most hated, unpopular thing there is. But we got a dual carb motor in this thing, and it absolutely rips. I got way too much time, way too much money invested in this thing. Everyone be hating on me. It ain't built for racing. This thing's built for freestyle. Shit, I'm a free rider, not a racer.
Oh my gosh, the guy almost squirrely damned right into us. What's wrong with this guy?
I couldn't even take the picture, I was falling in.
So picture this. This guy actually used to know how to ride this ski. He is an absolute lost cause now. Absolute lost cause. Hey, someone get a 1x2 out here. Teach this guy how to ride this thing, huh?
Hey, watch this.
Guy just got back from Home Depot. He said, I'll take the 1x2.
Holy shit.
Someone put this guy in the 40+ C class. It looks like the first ever Trey Kennard goon ride video. This is insane. Got the big wig with the camera out here and everything, but you know, we're out of talent again. No talent. He hit us with a hold on, watch this. You're done.
Alright, we're done.
That jet is in the rocks right now. In the rocks.
Unreal.
Give us the rundown. Are you going back to 1991 or are you going straight to the future?
Absolutely not. The Saints, we're done with 1991. We only brought it out for the clout, all the views, all of our followers. That's what we bring it out for. HydroTurf, get us.
Not again. How are you gonna rip your start?
When I'm watching the videos and all that shit, like they're like, hey, nay, and then you drop the tray, you're like, ah! My ball bag's just dragging out the back of the tray. Down first.
Yeah. He never even got on the tray. He never even got on the tray. Guy almost ripped his collarbone off.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That dual carburetor just ripped me off. I couldn't get on his gas.
Oh my
God.
goodness. In case you're wondering how we're filming the clips, got the iPhone out here. We're paddling back into shore. Absolute epic day.
Couldn't ask for anything more.
Woo! We're riding skis. Our new buddy's pissed. Gilly the Goose is hissing.
The locals.
He's saying locals only. This is my fire pit. This is my fire pit. That's the remains of the last guy. You want a piece of me? Good day on the 2x4, the old Home Depot traffic cone special. Just got done riding skis. Sun decides to come out. Welcome to Western Washington, where it absolutely sucks. You may wonder why I'm looking at the camera with a blank stare. It's because 13 seconds ago it was raining. Western Washington. They must have been doing cloud seeding because it's awful sunny now. Must have ran out of seeds.